Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I love to spend as much time in the sun as possible, but I also want to make sure that my skin is well protected. So if I can do that without having to put a lot of lotion on my skin, I'm definitely going to go that route. And that's one reason that I've been loving this rash guard from Eteoepo. This is UPF 50. One of the other things that I really love about it is that it is lightweight. So not only do I wear this when I go paddle boarding or swimming, but also when I'm working in the garden or doing things outside in the sunshine. I got the size medium in black. I'm 5'4", 140 pounds. This fits me loosely, which is definitely the fit that I was looking for. I didn't want something that was going to be super tight and uncomfortable, especially when I'm out exercising. I like that I can wear it loose over a swimsuit or a tank top, or I can tie it in the back for a little bit more of a fitted look. This dries quickly and it's just super comfortable. I think you're going to love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.